guys, I'm still waiting. For you to subscribe and leave a like. Hi guys, and today we're going to be doing a video on how to get a plushie on side of Build a Boat Figure. Because when I did this, it got like 20 views. That's pretty good. So I'm going to do it again, and I hope you enjoy. And please just subscribe and leave a like. It would really help my channel out, and I really appreciate it. And it would really be nice. But anyway, let's just get straight into this. So, how I'm going to go over there is I'm just going to use a jetpack. So, I need to find it. I can't find it. Where is it? Okay. Jetpack. So right here, I'm just going to put it on. So I know I'm in the Halloween update, but in the tiny one, so not that bad. Just go over here. So you want to go to the Clocks Tower stage. I'm just going to launch. Oh, built up from there. Okay, just put a grass block. Just going to launch so I can actually see where the Clock Tower stage is. Launch. Okay, yes, the second one says fine, yeah. So, let's just go right over here. Right past pink base. Don't mind me. Just come through. And how to actually get this plushie is you have to have it for like a particular time, in real life time. So you have to have it on like an hour mark. So it could be 1, it could be 2, it could be 3, it could be 4, it could be 5, it could be 6, it could be 7, it could be 8, it could be 9, it could be 10, it could be 11, it could be 12. Any more time than that. And so it has to be there 2 zeros in it. So my time right now is 9:58. So I just need to go over here. Let's go up. No, I just did this clock tower stage. Up. And you want to go over to this side, I think. This side. So you just walk over here. Last 2 minutes. So just go over here. And go right over here. Over here. So go right over here. So down here, I think it's this part right here. Just to get around it. Yeah. So now I'm just gonna wait another 2 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna wait 2 minutes until it's back. So yeah. Hi guys, so it's 10 o'clock right now. Could be 1 minute late, but this has opened for me. So you just want to press that. It opens right the way up and go right down. No, I don't know how to do that. Go down. And right here is the plushie. Get it. I think you still have to do like a boss fight to get, I think. But we've got it right here.